Okay, so for graphing this one, probably the easiest way to do it would be to get the y by itself. So for this first equation, we'll write it as, if my pen will work, come on pen, wake up. There we go. X plus y equals 0. So I'll just pop the x over to the other side and I have y equals negative x. If I make a table for that, you can also just graph it using slope and intercept, and the intercept is 0 and the slope is negative 1. But if we made a table, when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y would be negative 1. When x is 2, y would be negative 2. So you can see it's going to cross through, do this, it's going to cross through 0, 0. And then with that slope of negative 1, for every 1 I go to the right, it's going to drop 1 unit. So there's our 2, negative 2, etc. I can do the same thing for the second equation. So 3x minus y equals 0. So let's bring the y over. And instead of writing it as 3x equals y, I'm going to write it in the other order just because it looks better. Y equals 3x, but it's the exact same thing. So this would have a y-intercept of 0 as well, because the b here is 0 and the slope of 3. But if you preferred, you could still make a table. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 3. So there's that slope of 3 that we can see by looking right here. And then I think it's going to make me graph a different point other than 0, 0, because I already used that one. So I'll do when x is 1, y is 3, and when x is 2, y is 6. As you can see, there's the intercept at 0, 0, and our slope of 3. So either by table or just looking at the equations and recognizing slope and intercept, and then either way that gets you that intersection point at 0, 0. Hopefully that helps. Holler if you still have a question.